Hey, what's up you guys? This is Calicurls. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing you how I use black rice water. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, basically I'm just showing you guys my experience. This is my first time using black rice water to do a rinse. I basically purchased this for $10 on Amazon. And basically how you make it is I'm going to use a half cup of the black rice, added in some water to clean it off at first, and then add 2 cups to my half cup of rice. So super simple, super easy. Of course, I get my rice water ideas, any inspiration from Jazz. I just go on her YouTube channel and look at her rice water videos. If you guys not have seen them, I highly recommend you guys to look them up. But I tried black rice water because I didn't like how the white rice or the organic jasmine rice felt on my hair. My hair felt a little rough and dry afterwards, so I'm using the black rice water because people with low porosity hair have said that it has created moisture for them and just really brings back their curls. So here I go adding, after I cleaned off that rice, I'm adding 2 cups of water, and I'm just going to add it to this mason jar and leave it here for about 4 to 5 hours. I just went to watch a movie and did some dishes and came back. Some people leave it for 30 minutes. Some people leave it for 24 hours. Some people have complained and told me that you're not doing anything if you're leaving it for 3 to 4 hours or 30 minutes. But I mean, from other people's results and other YouTube videos that I watched, people that had similar hair as me and low porosity hair as me did fine with just 30 minutes to a few hours. So of course the benefits are the hair growth, and it just has a lot of natural properties that really help with the scalp. I have a sensitive scalp now, and I just really want my hair to grow after this big chop. So well, actually I did this before I did my big chop, but this was when I really want my hair to grow. So I'm just gonna strain it after I'm done. I'm just putting it in it. Honestly, it's super easy, self-explanatory. I'm just putting it in there, and I didn't have one of those. I'm just using this little bottle cap thing to put it in there, so all the water goes in there. And I had extra water left over. I feel like if you want the rice water to be more potent, add less water, but I didn't want to so much because I didn't want it to come out too rough for me. Now, one thing that I'm going to add, a huge disclaimer, the only thing that I did not like about using black rice water is it stains. It stained my walls, it stained my door, it stained my shower. I was not happy about that at all. So, and I can't believe that I have not ran into a video with anybody not mentioning that. So I don't know if that's ever happened to anybody. Maybe usually because people do it in the shower and it kind of rinses off, but it kind of like stained. I have this little bath carpet at the bottom with the little sticky things, and yeah, it had like the red outlining. It was red stains throughout my fingernails. I just did not like it. But I mean, as far as applying this and the way that it made my hair felt, sorry, there's a car beeping outside. As far as applying this in the way that it made my hair felt, my hair did feel super soft after using this, and my curls, this is on damaged hair. My hair is damaged completely in this video, but they looked better. So yeah, here goes the disclaimer. It stains everything. I just applied it directly to my scalp like that, my hair, and I have a hard time taking that water down my back. It was cold. But afterwards I went in with this deep conditioner from Camille Rose, and I left that deep conditioner on there for about 30 to 45 minutes, just because in the past, since my hair came out really dry and brittle after using rice water, I was like, I didn't want to take any chances, so I had to deep condition. This is what it's looking like. My hair felt super soft afterwards, but not worth it. You guys see that damage right there? Like, that hair had to go. If you guys have not seen my big chop video, I'll include it. You guys need to watch that too. I felt my curls just look so much more healthier than what this is looking like in this video. But afterwards, yeah, after I was done, I pretty much put my hair in a protective style and did some twists. I used Camille's Rose leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is very thick, but it's creamy and leaves my hair moisturized. Usually my hair does great with like lightweight leave-ins, but this is a great leave-in conditioner that I like, that's very thick and creamy. So yeah, after I'm done, I just twisted up my hair, and that was pretty much it. I left those twists in for a few days and then just restyled my hair again. And again, my hair came out soft. It was fine. The only thing that I hated about it is the fact that it stained everything. I don't know if anybody else has ever experienced that. Maybe I don't know. I don't know why nobody's ever mentioned that with the black rice water, but yeah, so just remember that. Otherwise, I recommend it to try it. I can't wait to try it on my natural hair, but if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.